And I want to make this request bil umum to all those Muslim brothers and sisters that are listening to me, and bil khusus to these brothers and sisters and elders of mine that are from this Bristol community, especially the Totterdown community, the brothers and sisters that come to Bristol Jamia Masjid. So this request is on behalf of myself, on behalf of our beloved Imam Ishaq Sahab, the committee as well, that donate towards this masjid of yours. MashaAllah, all you brothers and sisters, you've been doing Mali ta'awun, so you've been contributing with your wealth for this masjid. You've been doing akhlaqi ta'awun, giving your time. You've been doing spiritual ta'awun as well by making dua for this masjid as well, for this community. So I urge you that this masjid, we are still performing our prayers. Myself, Imam Sahab, we are still teaching also. Everything is as normal, and we all need to continue to, support this masjid. But what I want to urge and request to all my brothers and sisters is that definitely these are the final days of the month of Ramadan. And in this month of Ramadan, we've been told, the Prophet ﷺ said that one who performs a fard in this month, it is like he's performed 70 fard other than Ramadan. Someone who performs nafal in this month, it's as if he performed a fard in any other month other than Ramadan. So the reward, it is increased. So we need to maximize from this. These are the final days now. So I urge all my brothers and sisters that are listening to me that donate towards this masjid of yours, because the reward, it is increased. Jo ajr hai, wo badha diya jata hai. And who knows if we will witness this month again. In the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He says, وَأَنْفِقُوا مِمَّا رَزَقْنَاكُمْ, that you spend وَأَنْفِقُوا from that wealth that we have given you. وَأَنْفِقُوا مِمَّا رَزَقْنَاكُمْ. So we have to spend in good causes, good avenues. وَأَنْفِقُوا مِمَّا رَزَقْنَاكُمْ مِنْ قَبْلِ أَنْ يَأْتِيَ أَحَدَكُمُ الْمَوْتِ. Do this before your death comes. And then He speaks that when death comes, فَيَقُولَ رَبِّ لَوْلَا أَخَّرْتَنِي. When people are dying, what is in their mind? That, oh Allah, give us some more time. Give us some more time so that we can give some sadaqah, so that we can donate towards good causes, and then we can become from the pious. So, وَلَنْ يُؤَخِّرَ اللَّهُ. When that time comes, when death comes, ajal comes, it doesn't go forward, it doesn't go back. So I urge and request all my brothers and sisters that donate towards this masjid of yours. However you can, you continue to support this masjid of yours, Bristol Jamia Masjid, Green Street, Totterdown, Bristol BS3 4UB. And I make dua, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, those that have been contributing towards this masjid, those that have built this masjid, those that have been running the masjid, those that have been visiting this masjid, Allah Rabbul Alameen, He accept all of them. Allah Rabbul Alameen accept their ibadat. Allah Rabbul Alameen accept them and grant them sincerity. If they are in this dunya, Allah Rabbul Alameen put barakah in whatever He has given them. If they are not in this dunya, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala shower His mercy upon their graves. I make dua, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He put barakah in your wealth. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us all this ability to carry out these good deeds and to act upon what has been said.